So I welcome you all for this class, and we're going to see about internet and web designing. And as we have already discussed before about this topic, and we just see about something brief about internet and web designing. Okay. So uh, the syllabus is like what? No, it is going to be the internet, and the first three parts is comes under internet, and the last two section is about HTML, as we have discussed previously. Okay, likewise, the first three unit it covers like internet. So here we're going to see about introduction of the internet. Okay, so you all familiar with that? What do you mean by internet? What is the purpose why we are using about internet? So here some of the points here. So the first one is, it is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facility. So what is the purpose for we are we are surfing in internet na? To just communicate. Okay, just communicate and to exchange the information. So for that purpose only, that is one of the purpose we are using the internet. So second one, it consisting of interconnected network using standardized communication protocols. So with the help of this, how we are using internet now, we want to see that only we peoples know about only the front end of the internet. So many of the things are working at the back side of the internet. So what are all the things now? Main thing is called protocol. Okay, main thing is called protocols. So, and another one is called network. So here we're going to see about networks. So it consisting of interconnected network using standardized communication protocols. The main thing for communication purpose, we need network. And the second thing is called protocols, that we can see in the next forthcoming slides. Then third one, internet carries a vast range of information resources and services such as interlinked hypertext. So vast, so net அப்படினாவே it is called a vast area. ரொம்ப பெருசு. So அதில் நம்ம என்ன வேணாலும் வந்து we can fetch informations in any kind of things. So likewise, and what are all the main thing now, the main you peoples will do now, you will surf, you will make surfing. Okay, just you are searching something and will do email or file sharing, all these things we will do. So like this, internet carries a vast range of information resources and service such as interlinked hypertext. You peoples know about that. What do you mean by hypertext? Or a link madri irukum keela, blue color line la. So with the help of that link, you will switch over to the forthcoming next web pages. You peoples very well know about that. So like thing, and next one is we will use the documents and application of World Wide Web and electronic mail and file sharing. Maximum we peoples will do that electronic mail and will share the files, uploading, downloading, all that kinds of things. So we're going to see about what do you mean by protocols. So protocol is one of the main back-end process of the internet. So there are varieties of protocols are available here. So I have taken only one here. Okay, I'm going to explain everything, but I have given only one protocol here. So first one is, protocol is nothing but it is a set of rules. Okay, so what it will do now, it is a set of rules requirements for addressing and routing the data on the internet. So what you people will do, you will download something from internet, or you will upload something, you will share the files, you will send messages to someone. So all these kinds of things, how it is working only with the help of protocols. In what basis? That is called transmission control protocol or internet protocol. In short, we can call it as TCP/IP. Okay, that is called transmission control protocol or internet protocol. Each and every protocol, they will have a separate part at the back end of the internet. ஒவ்வொன்றுக்குமே தனித்தனி work part இருக்கும். So இந்த TCP/IP வந்து என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it just make a routing. Okay, அதாவது if you are going to search in the search box, so it will route the way what information you peoples are searching for அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த ரூட்டை வந்து சிஸ்டம்க்கு வந்து அது பாத் மாதிரி கொண்டு போகும். ஸோ அதுல இருந்து the information will come to the screen. That is one of the work of this transmission control protocol. What you peoples will give in the search box, it will translate to the computer and get the information. It will find the route for that, and it will fetch the informations what you peoples are required and will display in the screen. Okay, the second one, it is a set of rules for routing and addressing packets of data so that they can travel across networks and arrive the correct destination. So what you people will reach, என்ன நீங்க நினைக்கணும்ன்றீங்களோ நினைச்சு அதுல சர்ச் பண்றீங்களோ அந்த டெஸ்டினேஷனுக்கு it will show. ஓகேங்களா? So next one. So and some more protocols are there. Another ஒரு important two protocols மட்டும் பார்த்துட்டு we'll go for networking. So இன்னொன்று வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா FTP, that is called file transfer protocol. So what is the use of this FTP அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it will transferring the data from one person to another person. So in the name itself you can call it as file transfer protocol. So you can transfer the data or files from one person to another person. For that purpose we are using FTP protocols, and like that Telnet, Joffer, Waze, so shell accounts in the madri vandu varieties of protocols are working under the back end of the internets. Okay, so next one we can call it as we're going to see about networking. So you peoples very well know about that. What is the use of networking? Without network there is the internet will not work. Illingla, yes or no? So there is no purpose other the internet vandu anga work agada. Only with the help of networking it is going to you peoples will work on it in internet. So here networking refers to interconnected computing device that can exchange the data and resources with each other. So ஒரு main server இருக்கும். From that main server every system has been interconnected. So அதனால அது மூலமா தான் உங்களுக்கு network வந்து கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. LAN, WAN, MAN, all these kinds of things we have seen in the previous classes, no? So what is the use of that? Local area na aduketa mari or networking they will frame. Okay, WAN அப்படினா வந்து wide area. One geographical, for example we people use LAN. Why? Because we are in this particular surroundings. Likewise, so இதுவே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா WAN அப்படினா வந்து wide area, one particular geographical area. For example GN Mills மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். So இந்த மாதிரி varieties of places available. For that we can use WAN. Then MAN is for metropolitan. So ஒரு particular district places இந்த மாதிரி அது WAN விட வைடா இருக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம வந்துட்டு MAN யூஸ் பண்ணும். So இந்த மாதிரி there are many types of networkings available. The second one, these network devices use a system of rules called communication protocols. So over physical or wireless technology. So as I said, LAN, WAN, MAN is playing a vital role in networking. Next one, types of networking. So types la vandu pathina wired networking and wireless networking. Now we are in which stage? Wireless. Yes, so we people, so munnadi la vandu pathina first initial stage vandu pathina ipo vandu BSNL la da அந்த மாதிரி வந்து ஒரு விஷயத்தை introduce பண்ணாங்க. They have introduced a modem. But telephone lines use பண்ணி அதில இருந்து உங்களுக்கு net connection கொடுத்தாங்க. So first thing it has been introduced by the BSNL. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் வந்து Airtel, Aircel, Vodafone இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய விஷயங்கள் வந்து அப்கிரேட் ஆகி ஒவ்வொரு நெட்வொர்க்கிங் இதுவும் வந்துச்சு. So wired and wireless. Wired na there is one switch. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த switch னு இருக்கு இல்லையா, it connected with switch and routers. Through with this it has been interlinked. So இந்த மாதிரி தான் வந்து network வந்து comes under wired network. And coming to wireless, ஒரு simple broadband னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா இப்போ. So ஒரு மாதிரி broadband வச்சு அதுல இருந்து நம்ம வந்து wireless technologies வந்து now we are using. So next one, so wired networking requires the use of physical medium for transport between nodes. Then wireless networking uses radio waves for transport. So one main server இருக்கும், அதுக்கு கீழ இருக்கிற rest of the systems கெல்லாம் நம்ம என்ன பேர் வச்சிருக்கோம்னா nodes அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Yes, so previous slide, previous. So all these are called it as wired PC in irukku illaya, all these are called as a nodes and one main server இருக்கும். So அந்த என்ன சொல் wiredனா வந்துட்டு it is physical medium for transport between nodes. நோட்ஸ்னா ஒரு சிஸ்டம் இருக்கும், அதுல இருந்து எல்லா சிஸ்டம்ஸும் வந்துட்டு it has been interconnected. Next one, wireless networking uses radio waves. So now it has been worked under radio waves, and with the help of that we can using the cableless, that is cabling wireless LAN. Wirelessly we are using. Next one. Next topic is email, and you peoples are very familiar with this, so I'm just reading out this, and if there is anything else I'll explain to you. So it is a method of exchanging message between people using electronic device, and the main purpose is we are just exchanging messages. Under email only we are exchanging messages, or sounds or videos, pictures, images, or whatever might be, we are just making. Next one, it is based on stored and forward model. நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்றோம், வர message we are receiving and storing, and afterwards we are forwarding. So the same process is going on here. Then email, accept, forward, deliver, and store message, as I said now. Next one, it is a method of exchanging message instantly from one system to another with the help of the internet. With the help of the internet only we are going to exchange the messages. Then each user is having a unique mail ID. Each and everyone is having a unique mail ID, yes or no? Next one, email can be used for many purposes depending on the person who uses them. The next one, the main advantage we could think of email is that it is a paperless, then it makes the work easy with Cutler and environmental friendly. So main purpose why we are using email, it is paperless work. So it reduce your time, one place la indu innoru place ku vandu post la vandu and the traveling time, traveling expenses, everything it has been reduced. It's a paperless work. Just vandu neenga click பண்ணிட்டீங்கனாவே immediately it will send to the user screen. Likewise, next one. So next topic is resource sharing. So how we are sharing the resources? So through networking. Next one. Next. So here resource sharing is every internet system has some files to open to anybody. So networking அப்படினாவே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are going to, sorry, resource sharing அப்படினாவே என்ன அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா we are going to share something. In what basis, in which protocols we are using here is called FTP, that is file transfer protocol. There are two types of FTPs are available. One is anonymous FTP and second one is non-anonymous FTP. So anonymous FTP ங்கிறது என்னன்னா சில வெப்சைட் குள்ள if you are going to download an e-book. Okay, electronic, for example in the internet and web designing book வந்துட்டு you want to download from internet அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த anonymous FTP இருந்தது, if it is an anonymous FTP na you just give your mail ID உள்ள கொடுத்து அது வந்து it will ask free journals அப்படின்லாம் நீங்க படிச்சிருப்பீங்க இல்லையா, free journals, okay, free e-books download அப்படின்ட்டுலாம் இருக்கும். So அந்த மாதிரி சைட் குள்ள போனீங்க அப்படினா you just உங்களோட mail ID you want to give, and afterwards you just download the particular thing what you are required, that is called anonymous FTP. They will get your mail ID and password, and it will allow you to download the book. If we are going for non-anonymous FTP na we want to register previously, and the particular software ku nama register பண்ணிரணும். We want to pay some amount, we want to give the amount, and we want to register the particular thing, and afterwards once we get the login na and the login kulla போட்டு தான் we want to download, like subscription அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம கொடுத்து தான் வந்து we want to do. So that is called non-anonymous FTP. So likewise we are making the resource sharing. Next one. So you people's very familiar with this www, that is called World Wide Web. First one, the World Wide Web is a collection of pages maintained on the internet using the techniques that can be called as hypertext. Hypertext is just we are going to click one page la irundha அடுத்த pages ku web pages ku move ஆகி போயிட்டே இருக்கும். Yes or no? Yes or no? Then it is a vast network of linked hypertext files stored on a computer throughout the world that can be provide a computer user with the information on a huge varieties of subjects. So it is a vast area, any kind of things we can search, we can download, we can upload, everything we are doing. Okay, next one, it is a group of internet sites interconnected by means of hypertext, providing access to images and sound in addition to text. So not only we can exchange some files theoretical illama, we can use some videos, then sounds, graphics, text மட்டுமே இல்லாம we can use all these kinds of things. It is a computer system which links document and pictures into a database that is stored in computer in many different parts of the world. Then hypertext. So it is the presentation of information as a linked network of nodes which readers are free to navigate for surfing. It allows multiple user. So if for example in our lab there are 60 systems. Okay, if the lab la vandu pathina net connect ஆயிருந்ததுன்னா everybody will surf. நீங்க எல்லாரும் காமனா ஒரு பேஜை வந்து if you are surfing அப்படின்னா everybody will have a display the same web page தான் display ஆகும். எல்லாருமே வந்துட்டு ஒரே லிங்க் குள்ளார போய்க்கலாம். Yes or no? If we are searching for commerce அப்படின்னா கீழ வந்து some related links வந்து வந்திருக்கும். அது வந்து it will display to all the students. So அதுல எல்லாருமே வந்து we can use multiple users. எல்லாத்துக்குமே வந்து same page தான் இருக்கும். ஆனா எல்லாருமே எல்லாத்துக்குள்ளே போய்க்கலாம். Yes or no? So that is called free to navigate for surfing. It allows multiple user. So multiple persons can use for this. The next one, hypertext is a text which contains links for the text. So it will be like a link. So without closing the web page, from one link to another link, we can pass through link, we can pass on to the next web pages. Okay, that is the main thing. Next one. So next one is browser. A browser is an application program that provides a way to look and interact with all the information on World Wide Web. So the searching another name here is called browsing. Okay, so these are all the popular browsers, that is Netscape Navigator, Mosaic and Hot Java, Microsoft Internet Explorer. So Chrome ellame it comes under this browser, popular browsers. So search engines, so you peoples will very familiar with this. What are all the search engines? So some popular search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, DuckDuckGo and Baidu. So the Baidu ங்கிறது வந்து என்ன அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is one of the famous Chinese search engine. Like Google, China la vanditte it is these people, the Chinese peoples will use this Baidu, and it is similar to Google. இதெல்லாம் வந்து நீங்க உங்களோட இதுல நீங்க search பண்ணி பாருங்க, you peoples have an idea. So like Google எப்படி இருக்கோ அதே மாதிரி தான் Yahoo. நம்ம இங்க இந்தியால வந்துட்டு Google, Yahoo, இந்த Bing, DuckDuckGo எல்லாமே நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். பட் இது வந்து Baidu வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா specifically they will use in China. இதுவுமே நீங்க வந்துட்டு நெட்ல நீங்க search பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். How the page will be, you can understand. Yes, thank you for thank you for this opportunity, and thank you all. You peoples have any doubts in this, you can ask.